How to do a video call on Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can do a video call on Telegram. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first step here is open up your Telegram app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after that, simply head over to the person that you want to call. So simply open up the account that you want to call. So let's say I want to call this friend right here. I open it up. Let me just go back. Yeah, open it up and then tap on the top corner or simply tap on their name on the top. After you do that, you will see this section where you will get an option to call them. Sometimes you might not get a call option such as the video call or call due to your friend's privacy policy. So sometimes you might not get this option, but if you do get the option, tap on the video call option to start calling on video. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. Make sure that you have the correct permissions applied and you can just video call your friends. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.